Hi, my name is Brent Hunter from the program Arcos Journeys Abroad, and I'm the director here at Arcos. I'm going to walk you through today the programs that we have available for this summer. I'll share the website. So what you'll see here is that we focus on Spanish-speaking places. You may have seen that in the name Arcos, which means arches in Spanish. And so like an arch, we're that connecting piece from here to there and supports you on the journey along the way. So we have three types of programs in the summer. We have active discovery, which are more movement-based programs. We have the Spanish immersion programs, which focus on Spanish language classes in the morning. And then there's cultural discovery programs. These are going to focus around some heavy cultural components, such as culinary arts or art in Spain. So to get there, there's a few ways to do that. You can get there through this journey section here. And it's going to have a little description about each of the program types that we have available. And if you click through, for example, to active discovery, you'll see the portfolio for the active discovery that we have in the summer. So it's going to have all the programs that are tagged active discovery. And so to be in these sections, it means that 50% or more of the program is dedicated to that theme or topic. And so getting through it, it'll have the description, the country, and this will link you to a bigger description about that program. So it'll have the dates and prices for this summer and a little bit of program information. When you're ready, you would apply through this link here, or you can contact us, request more details, schedule a call with one of us, and we'll walk you through the program. Really nice aspect about the Arcos programs is they're designed where you can build your summer. You can stay for more than one session. For example, this program combines well with Spanish immersion, and so you can click there and you read about the Spanish immersion program, the electives that we have available, the Spanish classes, all through here. What I think is the most useful on our website is the dates and prices section. And so we'll go here, and it's going to have a chart of all the programs that we have available in our portfolio, and they're organized by country. So we have programs in Peru, Mexico, Spain, Costa Rica, and Argentina. They're organized in earliest start date to latest end date. And so here you can kind of run through and see all the programs. If you click on these links, it'll take you to the description. And then we have our timelines. So timelines are really useful, especially if you're thinking about staying multiple sessions or just need to see where things line up with your summer plans. So it'll have the programs by country, again, in alphabetical order: Argentina, Costa Rica, Mexico, Peru, and Spain. And for Spain, for example, you can see that here you could do the active adventure program for 2 weeks, and then you could stay for 2 more weeks and do the Spanish language and culture program. And the program type timelines, this is organized by, it's kind of grouped by program type. So all the active discovery are here from start to finish in the summer season, the cultural discovery, and Spanish immersion. And then the kind of really important next step is if you want to apply for the program, you go to our how to apply page, fill out our online application, and then pay the program deposit. So that is a $200 non-refundable deposit, and that goes 100% towards the program cost. And so that just holds your place in the program. Once you pay that, one of us gives you a call, verify the information, make sure it's the right program for you, and then we send you the acceptance materials. These are all the items that we'll complete before the summer begins. Now, there are a few other areas that might be of interest as you're looking at the program, seeing if Arcos is a good fit for you. The what's included, this is very information-filled section where it's got all the information for what's included, and then later down what maybe is not included. The main thing not included in our program is the airfare. So you are responsible for the international airfare. And we have information about our medical insurance policy, which is included. The plan benefits are found here, as well as information about purchasing your flight, which we're partner with Student Universe, and you can purchase your flight through them. They have a lot of discounts for youth travel. But yeah, that's the main information, I think, for thinking about Arcos program. Again, it's Arcos Journeys Abroad. Our website's arcosjourneys.com, and look forward to having you abroad with us this summer. Thanks so much.